Avoid a damaged and scratched suitcase. You need to try this before your next trip. Anyone who travels frequently knows this common problem. After landing, your suitcase looks like it went through a battlefield. Dust, scratches, spilled liquids, and even cracks. All of these can happen to your luggage. And to make matters worse, finding your suitcase among dozens of similar ones at the airport can be a challenge. But there's a simple trick to prevent this. Just use a large t-shirt as a protective cover. Choose a shirt wide enough to fit over your suitcase, then stretch it over the bag. Tuck the sleeves inside to ensure a snug fit so it doesn't slip off during transport. This DIY cover not only protects your suitcase from damage, but also makes it easier to spot on the baggage carousel. If you pick a bright or patterned t-shirt, your luggage will instantly stand out among the rest. A simple, cheap, and effective trick worth trying before your next trip. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes, they're after what's inside your car. Other times, they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars, so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble. Before traveling by plane, I always wrap my suitcase in foil. This way, I avoid big problems. I've been doing this ever since a friendly flight attendant showed it to me. The reasons are mind-boggling, and at the same time, you save a few dozen euros. The trend to wrap luggage is increasingly popular and visible. More and more people are aware of the danger. Grocery wrap on suitcases will give you more security. It's not just protection from damage, although the fact is that the film prevents any scratches and cracks. I'm sure you've also packed your suitcase to the max in the past. Thanks to the foil wrapping, the suitcase will not break and your things will not fall out. But what the wrap actually does is protect the items inside from theft. Even with the locks secured, someone can open it with a simple pencil. If you don't have a suitcase with a reverse lock like this one, it can be done easily. All you have to do is stick a pencil between the teeth of the lock, and the suitcase will be opened without any damage. Then, you can easily take various things out of it. Thanks to the foil, no one will do it. In addition, if you wrap the suitcase at home, you will save about 20 euros. Because that's how much it costs to wrap it at the airport. Put coins in the sink in the hotel. Apparently, a lot of tourists do this. This brilliant trick was shown to me by a former hotel staff member. The bathroom in hotel rooms differs in a few details from the one at home. Although at first glance it looks similar, it turns out that the sink is limited in its functions. Ordinary coins will make using it much easier. If there is no laundry machine in your hotel room, you'll probably use the sink to wash clothes. Unfortunately, the hotel sink doesn't have a plug. This is done for safety reasons. The lack of a plug minimizes the risk of flooding the room. Ordinary coins and a plastic bag can replace it. Just place the bag on the sink, then arrange a few coins on its surface to cover the drain. This way, you'll make a makeshift plug that will easily help you fill the sink. Soaking and rinsing clothes in it will be easy. Travelers all over the world use this trick. Brilliant, isn't it? Stick a Band-Aid on the mirror to check if someone is spying on you. This simple trick will quickly reassure you if you're safe. Take a regular Band-Aid and stick it on the mirror. If the adhesive pad reflects in the mirror, you are facing a regular, normal mirror. Look closely. You should see the reflection of the Band-Aid with the pad. On a two-way mirror, however, you won't see this reflection. If the Band-Aid doesn't reflect, someone might be observing you from behind the mirror. Another method worth knowing is the finger test. In a normal mirror, there will be a gap between your finger and its reflection. But if you touch a two-way mirror, your finger and its reflection will touch directly. Another method is to use a marker. Draw a line on the mirror and look at it from an angle. With a regular mirror, you'll see two lines, the one you drew and its reflection. However, if you do this on a two-way mirror, you'll see only one line. With these simple techniques, you can always ensure that you have full control over your privacy. As soon as I enter a hotel room, I put my suitcases in the bathtub. You can laugh at me, but this rule protects me from serious problems. It's a good habit worth adopting during vacations, especially when staying in a hotel where we've never stayed before. Many people, right after entering the room, put their suitcases on the floor or bed. They begin to take out clothes and hang them in the closet. That's a huge mistake. There might be unseen guests in the room who could nestle in your luggage. I'm talking about bed bugs, which are common in places where many people pass through. Bed bugs can live in mattresses and upholstered furniture brought in by the previous occupant. Room cleaning is usually superficial, especially in busy hotels. When you enter a room, the first thing you should do is put your suitcases in the bathtub or shower. This is the area most thoroughly cleaned by the staff. Then, check the cleanliness of the mattress. Lift it up and see what the bed looks like underneath. Look into the seams of the mattress, bed frame, and headboard. Bed bugs love to stay in narrow crevices. If you don't notice anything suspicious, then and only then, take your suitcases out of the bathtub. Transporting these bugs from vacation could cost you a lot, so it's worth spending these few minutes on this test. Although it may seem strange, it can save you a lot of trouble. Put an aluminum ball on your door handle, and my neighbor was shocked when he saw it. The purpose of this trick will surprise you. All you need is regular aluminum foil. Tear off a generous strip, then roll it into a ball. Take a standard Ziploc bag and place the aluminum ball inside. Fill the bag with water until it's more than half full. Seal the bag while removing any air. Now, make a hole in the bag using a long toothpick. Thread a string through the hole and tie the ends together. Your bag is now ready. Believe me, it works wonders. Hang it on your door handle. No stray animals will come near your home. The reflection of light off the water and foil, both day and night, scares animals away. Stray dogs and cats won't visit you anymore. This method also works if you live in the countryside or near a forest, where deer or wild boars might unexpectedly visit. This water bag with a foil ball is enough to keep them at bay.